morning, everyone. Colin Cumesty here from the Knox County Fire Bureau. In previous segments of Things to Know, we've talked all about kitchen fire emergencies and how we're going to respond to them. Today, we're going to talk about some of the more practical safety tips and tricks that as parents work with their children on getting used to using certain kitchen appliances that are going to help keep them that much more safe. First of which is the ever-present in your kitchen oven mitt. The oven mitt is a wonderful tool for touching things that are hot. Make sure that you have them amply available in your kitchen and readily accessible every time you're cooking. Another device is something that we like to call an oven stick. The oven stick is simply a piece of wood that you can use to operate the trays inside your oven. All you do is just reach in, grab it, pull it out, and then push it right back in, never having to get your hand close to the hot items that are inside your oven. Wonderful tool to keep also, that if you need to leave or turn away from the kitchen stove real quick, having one of these on hand and holding onto it all the time helps you remember that you've got things on the stove or in the oven. Now we're here at the microwave in our kitchen, and what we really want to make sure that everyone understands is the safe operating instructions for the microwave. Parents, please, again, make sure that you review with your children exactly what it is they're supposed to be doing to prepare any food in the microwave. Especially when you go to remove any items from the microwave. Knowing that the tray that the food is going to sit on has a small lip to it, if your child isn't tall enough and they're reaching up to retrieve those items, the items coming out, the bowls, the little pan that the item may be in, could get caught on that lip, and as they're pulling it out, that getting caught could cause them to come in contact with boiling water and give themselves a scald injury on their chest as water dumps out on themselves. We need to make sure that we're teaching them exactly how to take everything out of the microwave safely. Again, to stress, something like a pot holder, an oven mitt, something that's going to protect their hands, always useful when removing items from the microwave. The next thing that we may have in our kitchen are toaster ovens. Toaster ovens are a wonderful option for warming up things like pastry, some things that are leftovers, pizza for instance, right? But they cook because they're hot. And when we use hot things in the kitchen, we want to make sure that we're using something to protect our hands when we remove those items from the toaster oven, like an oven mitt or something of that nature. Now, in the case of moving things from whether it be the microwave, toaster oven, or something in the oven itself, we do run the risk of getting ourselves burned, sometimes dangerously, sometimes minorly. Now I'd like to have Steven Tipton from AMR join me to talk a little bit more about how we're going to handle home remedies and minor burns here at the house.
So in case you get burned, how are we going to respond to that burn? So if it's a minor burn, you need to stay away from home remedies like butter or mustard, and kind of go with very simple. If it's minor, you can use just regular tap water. Cold or room temperature water can help eliminate that burn instead of trapping that burn in. And then if it's more severe, you can always call 911 and our EMTs and paramedics will respond to you and get you the treatment that you need. And if any part of your clothing catches on fire during your cooking process, always remember to stop, drop, and roll.